Hello and welcome. You may have gotten used to starting to use the new image creator inside of ChatGPT, which is a native image creator. However, the most visible leader for some period of time has been Midjourney, and they have released a new model. Midjourney talks about its newest model, which is V7 Alpha, in its most recent updates inside of the platform. The most visible feature is called draft mode, and it allows you to test your ideas at half the cost at what an image normally costs you in terms of using up credits in your account. Now, you are going to need to unlock your personalization in order to use it according to Midjourney. So we're going to do that now. In order to unlock personalization, you're going to go to this tab and click on it. You're going to need to click on Unlock Personalization. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through these elements. You're going to select the image that you like better, and then you will have unlocked personalization. Now, we're not going to go through this entire process here in this video. What we're going to do is we're just going to go through a few of these, and then we'll stop the video. We'll complete this personalization task, and then we'll come back, and then we'll demonstrate the alpha creation elements. Once you get to the end, there's a profile code. You can use a personalization. You'll want to copy it. You'll then want to click try it out. And once we've gone through personalization, we can make sure it's turned on by toggling it on here. So you can toggle personalization on and off. And you have these two modes. You have draft mode, and draft mode will allow you to use less of your credits when you are placing in your prompt. You can also use conversational mode, and this will allow you to speak your prompt into Midjourney without having to type it in. So for example, if we were to click in conversational mode, we can then click on begin if you haven't done this in your account already. And basically what you'll see then is you'll see a mic. You'll then have to give Midjourney permission. You'll then allow Midjourney to have permission. Create a 50-year-old man having fun, drinking coffee, creating video tutorials. So then Midjourney will then create our draft mode. But what you'll see is you'll see that the images are created faster. You can also create them conversationally. We're going to turn off the Midjourney mic so that it doesn't capture anything else. And you've now seen some of the newer features of Midjourney. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.